Here we go. Someone's just been busted trying to get into the advent calendar. Lainey, have you been busted? Oh, the pee-pees has been busted. Those ribs poking through her skin. She smells. Oh, what's behind that door? Oh, it smells so good. Okay. What do I do now? I'm stuck. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna get all the way up
Come here!
on the table.
Jesse!
Jay, come here.
Dad, come here!
He's on the phone. Okay. She's like, Lainey,
hey,
Lainey, I'm stuck. He's on the phone.
He's like,
Should we leave Penelope up here?
yes.
Peeps? Bad girl.
Oh,
Bad
take it
girl.
down.
Huh?
Let's take it down.